Okay, so me and Dylan did our presentation on collaborative robots working with humans. And we're going to start it off with a little video that we found. I thought was pretty cool. I'm actually amazed by what they can do. All the technology and sensors that are sitting over that is crazy. Works as a movie. Alright. Get rid of that. Okay, so cobots, collaborative robots, are automated robots that work in the place of humans. They are made to do faster work and more efficient work, and then humans are involved in the process, just working along with them. They supervise the robots on the production line to see if things are running smoothly, and if not, then they'll probably have to shut it down and then work on the robot till they know it's going to run smooth. So the components, cobots have many safety features such as sensors, cameras, etc. Sensors are those to notice if the machine is malfunctioning, then the machine will shut down. Cameras are used as the eye of the machine, so whatever the camera sees, it knows where to move the arm or the hand, whatever type of robot that you have. And cameras see the product, then take action in finishing it. In the industry today, cobots are used in many different types of industries. One example is car production. So these robots can be programmed to weld, screw, and put materials together. More than 90% of tasks in a manufacturing environment cannot use automated robots. Mostly because of the budgetary reasons, they are very expensive and most people can't afford them, and the physical aspects can't be met. Industrial robots are not used as much because they're too expensive, and small collaboration robots are more common because they're less expensive and are more flexible. They will begin to appear in more facilities around the world. More industry today stuff. Cobots are becoming more popular than ever, and humans still perform alongside with them. The robots are for the more difficult tasks and are designed to make better, and they are safer because humans will have to do the dirty work. So robots are high cost, but companies are here for that because they need to get the revenue back. So whatever money that they put into it, they're trying to build off that and then make profit from what they get or from what they've paid for. And Dylan's going to take over from here.
Alright, so advantages to cobots. Increased robot and human efficiency. Applicable to small and mid-sized manufacturers. Increased ROI, which is return on investment. More flexibility. Dangerous tasks can be accomplished more safely. Unlimited potential and better quality. Some disadvantages to cobots. The system is not self-learning or to a limited degree. which means like cobots can't, it's not really AI, so you have to program each time you change something up and program repeat tasks repeatedly. So that's basically what I just said. Like each time you change something, you have to program to do that. It works slower for safety reasons. So we said on a previous slide that it works faster, but that's in terms of like they don't need rest or they need to take breaks. They just work efficiently. And it's not a complete system without proper functions added. So if you got to do a certain job, you have to add the functions needed. Slow, hazardous, doesn't have the longest lifespan, and lack of functionalities. What technology has been replaced? Single function machines, basic assembly lines, people involved in operation, inspection, and assembly. And the future. Robots have a lot of promise in industry. There's welding, inspecting products for quality. There will be major advances in these fields, assembling items, picking, packing, palletizing, and handling materials. And these are our sources.